DJI has officially introduced the Mavic for Pro, a launch that comes as no surprise to anyone keeping tabs on the drone industry. After months of leaks and speculation, the new model is here, and it's time to see how it compares to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro already had a strong reputation, offering a triple camera setup, high resolution, 1000 video, and impressive battery life. It raised the bar for Prumer drones. So, does the new Mavic for Pro push things forward enough to make it worth the upgrade? At a glance, the Mavic for Pro looks familiar. The folding design and tri-camera layout remain, but there are subtle changes that become obvious once you handle it. It's slightly larger and heavier, around 100 grams more than the Mavic 3 Pro. This makes a difference when packing or carrying it around. One thoughtful design tweak is the redesigned gimbal guard. Unlike before, it no longer wraps around the rear, meaning you can now access the battery and SD card slot without removing it. Another small improvement, unfolding the drone now powers it on automatically. This is also true for the updated RC Proto controller, which comes with several enhancements. A standout feature is the new Infinity Gimbal. This allows full 360 rotation and upward shooting at a 70 angle. It's remarkably stable, almost like a bird's head staying locked onto a target even as the body moves. For filmmakers and creators who work in tight spaces or want more dynamic angles, this unlocks a lot of creative potential. Camera-wise, the Mavic for Pro builds on the foundation of the Mavic 3 Pro. The main Hasselblad camera still has a 4/3 sensor, but now supports 6000 video at 60 fps and shoots 10 megapixel stills up from the previous, with dual native ISO and an upgraded dynamic range of 16 stops, up from 128. It handles highlights and shadows more effectively. The medium telephoto lens stays largely the same in terms of specs, but image processing has been enhanced. Expect sharper images and richer colors. The biggest leap comes from the telephoto camera, which was a weak spot on the Mavic 3 Pro. The new sensor is bigger and brighter, offering significantly better image quality even in low light. Slow motion capabilities have been improved as well. Both the wide and medium telephoto cameras can now shoot 4000 at 1:0 fps, while the telephoto can do 4000 at 100 fps. All cameras now support 1-obit color with profiles like blog, vlog, and hell ideal for post-pre-production workflows. A major addition is the lid system, which complements the existing vision sensors. While there's only one lid sensor, it works alongside low-light vision technology to help the drone navigate even in dark or reflective conditions, something the Mavic 3 Pro struggled with. It can even return home without GPS, adding a new level of reliability. The RC Proto controller has also been overhauled. You no longer have to screw on the sticks. They now fold down neatly. The 7-in display is ultra bright at 2000 nits, supports log colors, and can be adjusted for vertical shooting. It's responsive, starts up instantly, and the battery lasts up to 4 hours. Internal storage is bumped from 32 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes, and it now supports DJI's mixed system for in-flight audio capture. A nice perk for vloggers. Battery life sees a big boost, too. While the Mavic 3 Pro advertised 46 minutes, real-world results were often closer to 30. The Mavic for Pro features a larger battery, rated for 51 minutes, and still manages to be lighter than you'd expect. It also offers significantly more internal storage, 64 gigabytes on the base model and up to 512 gigabytes with the Creator Combo. Transmission tech has been upgraded with the new For Plus system, doubling the range from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers, even if most users won't fly that far. This means a stronger, more stable connection in challenging environments. Price-wise, the Mavic for Pro starts at $2,699. With all the upgrades, it seems like solid value. However, there's a catch. DJI isn't currently selling it in the US due to regulatory complications. It's available in other markets like Canada and Mexico, but warranty support is limited if you import it. So, is it worth upgrading? For professionals who rely on their drone day in and day out, the answer is yes.